Okay, to start off, remove the chicken stain. Look at this little guy. Are you beating me up? Really? So I'll just grab you, see? What is your problem? Look at you guys. What do you think of your new place? Huh? Looks big enough to me. Kind of startled yet, I think, huh? Hi. Are you gonna still follow me around there? Whatever your name is. Whoa. Look at you. That's intimidating. Look at him. Come on. I'll call you Spot or something. I don't know. You're more like a dog. What do you guys think? Will this work?